Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here January 11th, already almost halfway through the month. It's going quick, huh, Winston?
Yeah, it is, Craig.
Yeah,
very quick.
Fast. A lot going on this week. Of course, it seems like everyone is back in the office already, or maybe even next week there'll be a few more coming back. A lot going on here with retail awards. Keep your eye out. We're sending off the list to the jury. We have record number of nominations in. A lot of retail parks I see this year, in the
Mostly retail parks on the development side.
Yeah, a lot of retail parks, a lot of new retailers as well I see coming into the region. So great to have them, great to see them, and even a few investors I see on the jury and some deals happening on the retail side. So also good to see. We have a lot of new retailers coming to the awards that are looking to expand in Central Eastern Europe. So if you've got any kind of retail space available and opportunities for new retailers to come in, please let us know. We'd like to get you involved in the awards and forum this year. So that's coming up February 9th, right here in Warsaw at the InterContinental Hotel, as always. And then soon after, April 6th, we have the SEE Awards in Romania. So a lot happening there, 18th year. So we've been kind of going at this for a long time. And, it'd be interesting to see quite a few of the companies. I mean, a handful of them have been there since the beginning. So a lot of new, and also a lot of new ones from the region. So great to see all coming together again there as well. And then, of course, in May, we have a lot of events. We've got our CEO Awards in Belgrade, new event there, and our CE and SEE Marketplace meeting point, deal making, which is in Prague, May 18th. And then on the 25th, of course, we have our Baltic Awards in SOPOT. Very interesting venue. We're there at the brand new Radisson Hotel. So exciting stuff going on there. So a lot happening this year. We hope you all shoot us a message. Let us know if you want to get involved in any of the events. We definitely would like to have you. A lot going on this year. A lot happening. So we'll definitely fill you in on everything. And hopefully there's a lot going on in the news as well. So we'll take a little break. We'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, to talk about the news for the day. So welcome back, Winston. Good to see you. Welcome
All
to
right, Craig. How's it going?
Yeah, good. Yeah, good to see you. So I see we have a lot of news here today. Yeah.
Yeah. So you mentioned Prague there, and we've got a few news items from Prague, or coming out of Prague today. And AFI have achieved 100% occupancy in their first rental housing project there, which is AFI Home Trebesin, which is in Prague Free, and all 61 apartments in the 7-story building have been found new tenants, and they're all in and settled in there. And it's and according to Elena Pichtoshchi, she's sales and marketing manager at AFI Europe in Prague, the speed with which we have rented out all the apartments clearly shows the direction in which the market is currently developing. It supports our belief that the further development of rental projects has great potential in the domestic market. And AFI are pushing out this PRS sector in a number of countries in CE at the moment.
I was going to say another PRS success. Yeah.
It is one of the encouraging sectors at the moment. It seems to be doing very well. Staying in Prague, and Zeitgeist has announced that it's leased 2,600 square meters in its Dunaj Palace refurb development that it's doing there in Prague. And this new development should come online in 10 months. They've been putting a lot of work into this, and it looks quite fantastic, actually. And the new tenant is the European Commission and the European Parliament Liaison Office. And according to, they've signed a lease for 15 years. So it's a good steady tenant.
Good government tenant.
Good tenant moving in there. And Peter Nowak, who's the CEO of Zeitgeist, he says, Palets Dunaj is a place where the glamour and nobleness of the 1920s mixed with the latest modern-day technologies. After the reconstruction, it will be an energy-efficient building aspiring to LEED Gold and WELL Gold certification. So keep your eye out for that one, Craig.
Wow, sounds like they should be in our one of the nominees of our project nominees. in
They
the
they
future.
they will probably be in the CRE awards,
Yeah.
I would imagine. So yeah, keep an eye out for them in our Budapest awards next or coming October.
Excellent.
And moving to Poland, and Vastin has leased nearly 14,000 square meters in its business garden complexes towards the end of 2022. And they've got a few of these business garden complexes throughout Poland. And the business garden Wrocław has welcomed VSB Energy, Smart Bear Software, IDOEOM, Yabil. And they've had some tenants renew their leasing contracts there as well. And that's Gates Business Services Europe and iTech Art. And then in Poznan, tenants were joined by Deloitte and PayPro, and the business garden in Warsaw had Astellas, Pharma, Stadler Polska, TSL Contract, and United Imaging Healthcare Poland. So yeah, pretty busy period for Vastin there in those developments.
A lot of deals signed here.
Yeah, and these when they brought these to the market, they were big. Well, they are, big developments, big projects, and seem to be leasing up very well. So obviously. Liked by tenants, and according to Peter Chatfield, he's the commercial manager at Vastin, he says business garden complexes which have been operating on the Polish market for a number of years offer excellent work and development conditions for companies from various sectors of the economy. And, well, there we go.
Well, Peter's been around a long time, so he knows all the clients.
Yeah, he definitely is a good man to have in charge of the commercialization of those projects. And finally for today, Accolade has appointed a new managing director, and this is Jarek Vnuk, and he's got 21 years of experience in the commercial property sector, and he's the new managing director for Accolade in Poland.
Yeah, they own a lot in Poland, so it looks like they're buying a lot more too.
Yeah, they are very active on the industrial front in Poland, yeah.
Great. So that's all we have for the day?
Yeah, those are today's headlines.
Excellent. Well, thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We have over 700 people on our Coffee with Craig show on LinkedIn. So it seems about every month we're going up 50 or 60 now. So it's growing fast since we've been doing it. So thank you all for joining the Coffee with Craig show group on LinkedIn. That's growing every day. And so you don't miss anything. Obviously you'll get the show right away through that. So if you haven't signed up or if you haven't subscribed to Coffee with Craig on LinkedIn, please do that right away. And we'd love to have you. And have a nice day. And we will see you tomorrow morning for the Coffee with Craig show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show. And don't forget to share it with your friends.